Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best microwave screws is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of microwave installation, but choosing the right screws is critical for ensuring your microwave is securely mounted and won't come crashing down during use, leading to potential damage or injury. This video will guide you through identifying and selecting the perfect microwave mounting screws for your specific needs, ensuring a safe and stable installation every time. Number 5. GE WB01X10180 Bolt. This is the genuine GE WB01X10180 mounting bolt. It's designed to the exact specifications of your microwave, ensuring a perfect fit. It securely holds your microwave in place. This ensures stability and prevents damage. It's also called a microwave mounting flat bolt. This is a common name for this type of part. It's made with premium materials for lasting durability. This ensures a long-lasting and reliable repair. Remember to follow the instructions in your owner's manual for proper installation. This will ensure a safe and secure fit. Choose genuine GE parts for peace of mind. It's the best way to ensure a quality repair for your appliance. What we like. It's a genuine OEM part, ensuring a perfect fit for your GE microwave. Its high-quality materials guarantee lasting durability. If you value authenticity in a precise fit for your GE appliance, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It's a great fit for my FFMV 1846 VSA 2022 version microwave. Just what was needed to replace my lost screws. During the reinstallation of our GE over-the-range microwave we endearingly call Chef Mike, I completely stripped a bolt that was difficult for my drill to reach, thanks to the oversized chuck and shoddy cabinet build. Searched the Googs and found it here on Amazon, and it was even better quality than the one Chef Mike came with. The quality was so nice that I bought it twice. This was a genuine GE part and had the same length, diameter, and thread as the bolts that came with my GE microwave oven, but the head on this bolt is a slightly rounded pan head instead of the flat countersink head shown on the product listing. So it does the job of holding the microwave up to the cabinet, but it might stick up just a little more than the other type. Number 4. DE92-90505N Kit. This kit provides all the necessary hardware for a secure microwave installation. It's designed for a perfect fit and includes everything you need for a smooth process. It's crucial to check if this kit is compatible with your microwave model. We've provided model number information to ensure a perfect match. The included toggle bolts and butterfly anchors provide a strong and reliable hold in hollow walls. They distribute weight effectively for a secure installation. Always disconnect your microwave from the power supply before starting any installation or repair. Remember that capacitors can retain energy even after unplugging. While it's designed for specific models, this kit is compatible with many major brands. Always double-check compatibility with your model number. This kit comes in supply and demand packaging, ensuring quality and reliability. We're confident it will meet your needs. What we like. This model-specific kit includes toggle bolts, perfect for hollow walls. It's compatible with many major brands, but always double-check your model number. If you need a secure mount in a hollow wall and want broad brand compatibility, this is the one for you. What people say. Completely fit just like it should, made the install so much easier since we lost the original set. These bolts were the exact fit for my microwave. I bought mine used, it didn't come with the bolts to hang it on the cabinet and I didn't realize how hard it was to find these. I ordered them hoping they would fit and they thread perfectly into the microwave. Comes with everything you need. You will need at least the 2 screws that go at the top of the microwave. You won't find them almost anywhere and you can't really match the screw pattern elsewhere either, so this pack is a perfect fit. Number 3. ForeverPRO 820-5948 Kit. This is the ForeverPRO 820-5948 mounting hardware kit. It's a perfect replacement for your old, worn-out parts. It meets or exceeds the quality of original equipment manufacturer specifications. You'll get a brand new kit in its original packaging. This kit is compatible with many Whirlpool microwave models, including AMV3204VAB0, AMV3204VAB1, and many more. Check the description for a full list. Installation is straightforward, ensuring a quick and easy fix for your microwave. Get it back up and running in no time. We offer a no questions asked money back guarantee. We're a proud USA-based company, committed to your satisfaction. Don't wait. Order your ForeverPRO 820-5948 mounting hardware kit today and get your microwave working perfectly again. What we like. This premium kit meets or exceeds OEM specs and comes with a money-back guarantee. It's compatible with many Whirlpool models. If you need a reliable, high-quality kit with a satisfaction guarantee and it fits your Whirlpool microwave, this is the option for you. What people say. It was the right fit for the microwave listed. Number 2. Samsung DE92-90505P. This is a genuine Samsung replacement part, ensuring a perfect fit for your microwave. It's a simple fix for a secure installation. It's an original equipment manufacturer part, guaranteeing quality and reliability. You can trust it to work perfectly. This mounting bolt set works with a variety of Samsung microwave models. Check the list to see if yours is included. Installation is straightforward, just follow the instructions in your microwave's installation guide. It's a quick and easy repair. While it might look slightly different from the original, it functions exactly the same. It's a perfect replacement. These bolts will keep your microwave securely in place. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's properly installed. What we like. It's a genuine Samsung OEM part, or a functional equivalent, ensuring compatibility. It's designed specifically for Samsung microwaves. If you need a guaranteed compatible part for your Samsung microwave, this is the best option. What people say. It really works well with any Samsung over-oven microwave style. Submitted the model number of the appliance and received the correct hardware. All went like clockwork. Fit perfectly on Samsung. Number 1. Whirlpool 820-5948 microwave part. This is an original Whirlpool microwave part, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. It's the same part used by Whirlpool during manufacturing. As an authorized OEM part, it meets Whirlpool's high standards for quality and durability. You can trust it to work seamlessly with your appliance. This versatile part is compatible with a wide range of Whirlpool microwave models. Check your model number to confirm compatibility. It's designed for straightforward installation, so you can quickly get your microwave back up and running. Installation instructions may be included or found online. The part number is 820-5948. Remember to always double-check your part number before ordering to ensure a proper fit. Get your microwave working like new again with this high-quality replacement part. It's a simple fix for a big problem. What we like. This is an authorized OEM part, ensuring a perfect fit for your Whirlpool microwave. It's designed for easy installation. If you need a reliable, easy-to-install OEM part for your Whirlpool microwave, this is the one for you. What people say. Everything was perfect, exact fit, the job was a success. Did what they were supposed to do. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.